This is a 3D printer Wi-Fi expansion module. Its name is Node Pro. Configuration is very simple. Then edit a config file inside the SD card. Here, we only need to configure it by entering Wi-Fi name and password. After inputting, click Save. Then the configuration is complete. Once the network is set up, we will insert the SD card into Node Pro. Next, we need to install this module on printer. First, we need to install a bracket like this one on the printer. This bracket can facilitate placing the Node Pro next to the printer. Now let's install it. Remove these two screws. Now the bracket is installed. Next step is to insert this SD card into the printer. It needs a converter like this to convert the head. Okay, now we have inserted it. Next, we need to use the square cable to connect the mainboard of the printer and the USB host of Node Pro. USB port. Now is power on the Node Pro. After powering on, it will first read the SD card, then go to network setup. After setting up the network, it will connect with the printer. We can see here that the printer is already connected. Next, we enter the IP address of Node Pro in the browser's address bar. Note that port number is 88. We have now accessed printer. Let's reset it first. Now, we can slice the file using slicing software and send the sliced file directly to Node Pro. Then, let's import instTL file. First, we need to add a physical printer. This physical printer is actually Node Pro. Click Add Physical Printer. Then, name this Node Pro. Enter the name of the Node Pro. Then, the host type. Select Octoprint. In the next column, enter the IP address of Node Pro. After entering the IP address, click Test. The connection has been successful. Click Confirm. Next, we need to slice the file. After slicing, we can proceed to upload the file. Click the icon in the bottom right corner. A dialog box will appear. After modifying the name, click Upload. It's already started uploading. Click on Update File on Web Page Control Panel. We just need to click on Print to start printing. Printing has now started. The result is the same as using an SD card to print.